In this first video, I will start with the introduction of this work. The introduction is divided in three parts: problem statement, motivation, and objectives. The problem statement starts with the increasing competitiveness in the global market that needs higher efficiency, what pushes us to make some changes in different sectors of economy, demanding products and services of higher quality, lower cost, and eco-friendly. It leads us to a quick and dynamic adaptation of the different sectors to be able to fulfill the new requirements of market. What is the initial motivation of Industry 4.0? But nowadays, the integration of humans and intelligent machines in value chain is more valuable and technically possible. What pushes us to mix artificial intelligence and Industry 4.0? Now, the motivation of this work. As I said before, artificial intelligence and Industry 4.0 are fundamental, and we need to implement it. But how we can do it? It requires the development of a wide methodological proposal that allow us to improve the use of resources. It can be done using simulation tools. And in this particular case, we will test this methodology with two current social issues: healthcare management and supply of electricity in a city or region. Why those study cases? Because they are highly related with the population life quality. The objectives of this work. The general objective of this work is to optimize production systems using concepts of artificial intelligence and Industry 4.0 to improve the competitiveness of different economic sectors, thus enhancing different processes and services. So, we will do it by a methodological proposal that will improve the performance of different systems. As I said before, we will use two case studies from different branches of engineering, and those case studies will face social issues, current social issues. In this case, emergency service management in an hospital and energy management system using renewable sources. Specific objectives. The first one is define and delimit the selected case studies. Next, obtain mathematical models to simulate the systems or subsystems that integrate each of the productive systems of interest. Collect or create databases associated with the real case study situations. Develop simulation tools based on mathematical models and the behavior provided by the collected databases. Use data science tools to analyze and detect problems in the different case studies. Define and implement performance indicators for each case study with the aim of evaluating and comparing different scenarios of interest. Propose solutions based on artificial intelligence and Industry 4.0 for the different performance problems found in the case studies. And finally, analyze and compare integrated solutions based on simulation, artificial intelligence, and Industry 4.0 that can help us to solve the found problems in the case studies. In the next video, I will present a brief literature review and some fundamental concepts required for this work. The literature review and fundamental concepts will be divided in 5 parts: overview of the involved areas, operational research, Industry 4.0, data science, data analytics, and artificial intelligence.